If there's one book that can revolutionize the way you approach your finances, it's the one-page financial plan. Carl Richards has distilled the essence of financial planning into a single page, and the insights within can change your life. Imagine having a clear, actionable plan that aligns with your goals, values, and dreams. Today, we're diving into the top lessons from this remarkable book, and I guarantee you'll walk away with actionable steps to improve your personal finance right away. Lesson 1. Start with your why. The one-page financial plan begins with a fundamental question. Why do you want money? It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the deeper purpose behind your financial goals. Take a moment to reflect on your true motivations. Is it to provide security for your family, to pursue a passion, or to enjoy the freedom to travel? When you connect your financial decisions to your core values, it becomes easier to make meaningful choices that align with your why. Lesson 2. Simplicity is key. Financial planning doesn't have to be complex. In fact, simplicity is the cornerstone of an effective financial plan. The one-page financial plan encourages us to keep things simple and focused. Think about what truly matters to you and prioritize those aspects in your financial plan. Avoid unnecessary complexity, jargon, and financial products that don't align with your goals. Embrace simplicity, and you'll find that managing your finances becomes more manageable and less stressful. Lesson 3. Embrace the power of automation. Automation is a game changer when it comes to personal finance. The book emphasizes the importance of setting up automatic contributions to savings and investments. Review your monthly expenses and determine how much you can comfortably save. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and retirement accounts. By automating your savings, you ensure that you're consistently putting money towards your future without having to think about it. Lesson 4. Tackle debt strategically. Debt can be a significant burden on your financial well-being. The one-page financial plan teaches us to tackle debt strategically, starting with high-interest debts. Identify your high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, and create a plan to pay them off aggressively. Consider transferring high-interest balances to lower-rate options if possible. Once high-interest debts are under control, focus on paying down other debts while continuing to save and invest. If you're learning, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Page to Prosperity. Lesson 5. Prioritize protection. Protecting your financial future is crucial. The book highlights the importance of insurance in your financial plan. Evaluate your insurance coverage, including health, life, disability, and property insurance. Ensure that your coverage aligns with your needs and provides adequate protection for yourself and your loved ones. Lesson 6. Define your financial goals. Setting clear and specific financial goals is essential for effective planning. The one-page financial plan encourages us to articulate our goals in detail. Write down your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, having well-defined goals will help guide your financial decisions. Watch till the end for our secret scavenger hunt question. Lesson 7. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected twists, and having a safety net is essential. The book emphasizes the importance of building an emergency fund. Calculate your monthly expenses and aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and ensures that unexpected financial challenges won't derail your long-term plans. Lesson 8. Invest with clarity. Investing can be intimidating, but the one-page financial plan simplifies the process. The book encourages us to invest with clarity and purpose. Understand your risk tolerance and align your investments with your goals and time horizon. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes to manage risk. Focus on low-cost, long-term investment options that match your comfort level and financial objectives. Lesson 9. Review and adjust regularly. A financial plan is not a one-time effort. It's a dynamic process. The one-page financial plan teaches us to review and adjust our plan regularly. Schedule regular check-ins with your financial plan. Life circumstances change, and your goals may evolve over time. Make adjustments as needed to ensure that your plan remains aligned with your current situation and aspirations. Lesson 10. Seek professional guidance. Sometimes, seeking professional guidance is the best decision you can make for your financial well-being. The one-page financial plan encourages us to consider working with a qualified financial advisor. Choose a financial advisor who operates with transparency, has your best interests in mind, and aligns with your values. An advisor can provide valuable insights, keep you on track, and help you navigate complex financial decisions. If you're finding value in these lessons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We've got even more knowledge to share, so stay with us until the end to discover the 3 actionable recommendations that can transform your personal finance. Lesson 11. Implement the power of enough. Understanding the concept of enough is a game changer. The one-page financial plan teaches us that knowing when we have enough money to support our goals and values is crucial. Define what enough means to you. Identify the point at which you can comfortably achieve your financial objectives without excessive stress or unnecessary accumulation. This mindset helps you make financial decisions that align with your aspirations, while avoiding the pursuit of endless wealth for its own sake. Lesson 12. Stay mindful of behavioral biases. Human behavior plays a significant role in our financial decisions. The book highlights the importance of being mindful of behavioral biases that can impact our choices. Be aware of cognitive biases such as loss aversion, overconfidence, and herd mentality. By recognizing these biases, you can make more rational and objective financial decisions, staying focused on your long-term goals. Lesson 13. Educate yourself continuously. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of personal finance. The one-page financial plan encourages us to educate ourselves continuously. Stay informed about financial concepts, investment options, and market trends. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial news sources. The more you understand, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your financial future. We've covered a wealth of knowledge from the one-page financial plan, and now it's time to take action. Here are 3 actionable recommendations you can start implementing today to improve your personal finance. Actionable recommendation 1. Create your one-page financial plan. Take a page, literally, from the one-page financial plan. Sit down with a piece of paper, and on one side, write down your financial goals and dreams. On the other side, outline the actionable steps you can take to achieve those goals. Keep it simple, clear, and focused on your why. Actionable recommendation 2. Automate your savings and investments. Remember the power of automation? Put it into action. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, retirement accounts, and investment portfolios. By automating your contributions, you ensure consistent progress towards your financial goals without the hassle of manual transfers. Actionable recommendation 3. Schedule regular financial check-ins. Just as we discussed earlier, make it a habit to review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Set a recurring calendar reminder to evaluate your progress, update your goals, and ensure that your plan remains aligned with your current circumstances. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the key lessons from the one-page financial plan by Carl Richards. By understanding your why, embracing simplicity, automating your savings, tackling debt strategically, protecting your financial future, defining your goals, building an emergency fund, investing with clarity, and seeking professional guidance, you're on the path to financial success. Remember, this is just the beginning. Dive deeper into the book for even more insights and actionable steps. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our empowering content. Now it's your turn. Use the internet. Find the answer. Drop it in the comments below. In The One-Page Financial Plan by Carl Richards, the author introduces 3 fundamental questions that serve as the foundation for creating a simple yet effective financial plan. What are these 3 questions and how do they help individuals gain clarity and direction in managing their finances? Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Share your thoughts, questions, or your own journey toward financial mastery. And for those eager to learn more, find The One-Page Financial Plan by Carl Richards in the description below. Until next time, keep making progress, and remember that your financial journey is within your control. Here's to a brighter, more financially secure future.